What's going on? What? What's wrong with you?
I think I'm getting sick.
What do you mean? I'm gonna go turn on the lights. Don't worry, I'm gonna go turn on the lights.
Okay.
All right, just wait for a second. This button is so hard to turn on. How come JJ doesn't even struggle to turn it on?
I'm sorry.
How do you do that? So how are you feeling?
Very bad.
What do you mean? Don't cough on me!
On me. What the?
Henry, get back from him! I don't want you getting sick.
Okay.
I'll see if there's any medicine. Barely.
All right. Let's see.
Aha, this. Yes, NyQuil can do it, right?
All right. Let me.
All right, so we got you this. Try to open it. Yeah. Wait.
Achoo.
Wait.
Achoo.
You can open it. Hold it.
Okay. Okay. We make a good team.
Yeah.
All right. You just
Breathe it. Breathe it.
Breathe it in. Breathe it in. Yeah, get some on the nose too. All right.
Okay, that's enough.
Here. I think I'm feeling much better.
I think we should call the doctor to come here. We can't take you.
I'm much better, Fred. Nope, he's not much better.
All right. 3.
Jacob, I think I have some
What?
money.
Yes, what a good idea.
All right, let me see if I can get it.
Yeah, that should make it feel better.
Yeah.
All right, give it him.
You want some money? Yeah! Yeah, baby, I got some money. Yeah, baby, I got some money.
Our lesson today, kids.
I got some money.
So our new lesson, guys, is that
Yeah, baby, I got some money. Yeah, baby, I got some money. Yeah, baby, I got some money. Bye-bye.
so our new lesson that we learned today is that
You gotta have money.